The next section that we are going to look at is how to access the data-free website. So to access the data-free website for the online training course, you use sustainabilityteachers.datafree.co. So I'm just copying that, and then I'm going to link it into my This data-free site is free on all mobile devices and networks in South Africa, and you can also use it as a mobile hotspot for your laptop. In Zambia, the MTN users can access the data-free site with no data costs. So here you can see it's exactly the same as the other site. There's no difference except that it's data-free. Even the YouTube videos on the site is also data-free if you watch it on the site. So just keep that in mind. And I hope that this was a useful video, and please let me know if you have any questions.